What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ranch Avengers. Today, got the shaky cam out. Just gonna show you the 86. His name's Peter. Just gonna do a pretty simple video, just walk around, just show you the truck. So let's check it out. Okay, here he is in all his glory. Don't worry, that's not my license plate. Let's see. It's red. Rolling on dim 15s. 86 Scottsdale. Interior's all torn up because I'm working on putting in those seats and I'm painting the bracket. But as you can see, interior is pretty messy. Shifter in there is for the NV4500 that's in it. That's getting ready to get pulled out today. Dashboard's pretty torn up. Hoping to get a replacement for that. We'll show you that side in a minute. Bedsides are pretty straight. I do have a little bit of rust right here. If it'll focus. There you go. Very small amount of cab corner rust, which is surprising for this model. Nothing on the rockers or floorboards. Got the grandpa bumper. Sliding back glass. Let's see, did I have rust on this side? Small amount of body damage on this side. The tailgate is currently off of it because it was having issues opening. I gotta get a replacement handle for it. Need new door panels and gauges and whatnot. Of course, got that Super Pro tag. I think we have this exact same tag in one of our 72s. And now for the fun part. 454, not stock to the truck. The truck originally had a 305 in it. I believe the truck was originally a 4-speed truck, but I don't have 100% proof on that. But 454, as far as I can tell, is completely stock. Don't know what it's out of yet. Hoping to find that out soon. Don't know if it's, RV 454 or if it's just shitty truck 454 with 7-to-1 compression. So, yeah, there she is. Plenty of work to be done to her. Get her into a way that I really want her. I say her. His name's Peter. Can't be a her. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.